Here's a question for you. Do you agree that it's never easy to work out on a regular basis? And if your answer is yes, then this video is for you. By the way, my name is Paraminder Singh Sikh and I'm the founder of Raising Thrones Academy, or for short we call it RTA. So a little backstory. I've been a part of the health and fitness industry for almost a decade now. And have been relatively fit throughout my career. But unfortunately, in 2020 is when things started to go downhill, especially due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which not only affected me, also most people in the industry as well, other fitness professionals. I think we all know because of the pandemic and the multiple restriction that was placed on the industry. So yeah, that was one of the starting points for this company. With my main source of income being heavily affected due to it, and also coupled with a ailing family member who fell ill at the time and also unfortunately passed on 2022, I started to stress eat and gain a lot of weight. Basically, I became obese despite being a fitness professional, which I'm not saying ashamed to admit that is my mistake, I would say. But in 2024, I started to make a change again, try to become physically fit again. And one thing I'm lucky because I already have the knowledge on how to design my own what do you call it, physical fitness programs. So I took it upon myself to record my journey, and in the screen I think I'll show you a bit of my before and after. So I managed to lose around 16 kgs in a span of 12 months, and also prompted me to rejoin the health industry shortly after. So one of the reasons that I struggled a bit because actually I refused to take the vaccine at the time, which I will not discuss too much details today, but I have a separate YouTube channel where I'll be discussing regarding my philosophy and genuine philosophy as a whole, geopolitics, and deep diving into topics of what makes the world go round. Yeah, because I'm interested in that. Yeah, so I'll put the link down in the description box. You can check it out. So coming back regarding when I joined the fit industry, like how did the idea of Raising Thrones Academy came about? I realized there was a certain fundamental flaw with the industry as a whole while working in this popular fitness brand, which is actually a very popular commercial gym brand as well. So from there, I draw some conclusions about certain things. Before I explain the problem, I wanted to understand how the health and fitness industry, especially which is commercial gyms and other smaller gyms perhaps make their money, and how they earn and basically operate. Okay. Number one, you must understand that they make money through the access that they sell to the facilities and amenities. That means if you pay, say, a walk-in fee or monthly membership, then you have the opportunity to do the workout there. So that's number one. That's how they make their money. Number two is they make their money through coaching, because they assume that you do not have any fitness knowledge, or very little if not. And so they will encourage you to buy coaching packages, either one-on-one or group coaching, etc. Right? And number three will be they kind of create like community effect for you, because the thing is, when you do join, you will make friends over there with either other members, or if not even the staff over there, right? So that is something that they expect you to do, and we will generally do, because our human nature, we are social creatures. So number four will be this something that you will do yourself, which is you will self-educate yourself on how to become more fitter if you take yourself seriously. Either you'll do research on YouTube or any web searches, and I guess TikTok also nowadays. Then you will maybe invest some time and money into the coaching that they sell, or if not outside external third parties, and maybe courses and so on, right? Yeah, so that's the four ways that they generally make money. It definitely is a tried and tested formula that works very well, and that's why there's a lot of people doing it. Every commercial gym is doing it that way, but I think COVID-19 kind of exposed the fundamental problems with it, because a lot of people were affected heavily, even me of course, regarding the loopholes in the industry. Especially, I would say, for Malaysia, a lot of foreign brands were affected behind closed doors. They didn't show you like this. Yeah. So number one will be they lack transparency in their agreements, and also there's a lot of multiple hidden fees. If you've read the contracts, you know what I mean. Then number two will be very poor customer service at times, and also they tend to be too salesy. They just want to sell you their packages, and they don't actually care for you too much, and that's not healthy. And number three, that causes that sales, highly sales driven character, is the environment itself that this, especially the foreign brands, create for the employees and also the members over there. So overall is a very toxic environment. If you know anybody, or you yourself is a member of, not a former employee or current employee, you will know what I mean. It's the health and film industry is extremely toxic. Yeah, and the thing got more exposed these past few years. Here is where we come in, RTA. So as I mentioned before, that okay, they sell you the access, they sell you coaching, then they sell you the community, then they sell you the, I guess you do your self research. That's the four ways that they make. So we at RTA, we kind of flip the script a bit. So number one, what we will do is we're going to educate you first. So we'll be giving away some free things that I'll tell you, because we believe that education is a God-given right that everybody should have access to, especially physical fitness, regarding of your social economic status. That's my personal belief, and also that we inculcate into RTA. So number two will be the community itself, because we do believe that once you surround yourself, I think you know this, that the 5 people you mix around, and then you become like them. So the idea of community is, if you mix around with people who are fitter than you, and especially if you really educate yourself a bit, you will become better. Yeah, that's what we want. We want to create an environment that, okay, you keep improving. I mean, there can be some kind of healthy competition and so on. So we will be doing that. Then number 3 will be the facilities itself, that we are planning to give it for free. Right? If you join our community, whatever our offers later are, we want you to access them for free if you can. Or at least if we need to, we'll charge you a very bare minimum amount. Right, so that's number 3. So number 4 will be coaching itself. So for me, I believe that if you're going to learn, you're going to learn from the best. Because unfortunately for the commercial gyms, and I'm also what the negative aspect of it, I wasn't that great back then. I would say that if you're going to spend your money, spend it more, and to people that actually don't want to sell you anything, who just want to teach you. And that's where we focus on the education also, in a way, because we want you to really learn and invest your money. So when you invest it, you really get, like, if you invest say 1,000 ringgit, you feel like you got like 10,000 ringgit back of value from it. And so that's where, so there's the 4 things that we are going to do in our way, right, beyond the health and fitness industry. And before I even came up with these ideas, and I know how I compile it, I actually tested it out with the MVP, or in startup speak they call it minimal viable product. So it's basically a very simplified version of a product or a service. So we tested 3 hypotheses. The first question was, are people open to the idea of receiving education almost entirely online? Okay, one of the first question or hypothesis. Then question number 2, hypothesis number 2 is, are they open to remote guidance online entirely? Then number 3 will be the most important one, are they willing to pay? Because if you're open to not willing to invest their time and money into what we are offering, then the MPV doesn't work. And coincidentally, we did well actually. So this is some of the testimonials that we gathered, and some of the results, and some proof of our work as well. With that being said, here's how I and my team will help you. Since we did mention education is a priority for us, so we will be giving a guidebook for free to everyone, and that you can utilize for yourself and how to work out. So basically, the guidebook will be called the Red Guidebook and / how to design your own physical fitness program. One is, with the guidebook, we have compressed it into 5 pages of framework and actionable steps that you can take to design your own physical fitness program without actually relying or overspending on fitness brands or professionals. So because we believe that in the day only you know what is right for you 100% of the time. You can grab the guidebook by following the link in the description, or by scanning the QR code that I'm about to put somewhere here, which will lead you to our landing page, which we will just ask your name, your email, and maybe some other minor details so that we can be in constant communication. So basically, just grab your free copy. In case you're having trouble still designing your own workout program, maybe you can join our online workshops. One of them will be called the Red Workshop, synonym with the name of the guidebook, which we will actually assist you in designing your own workshop in a more live manner, and we also maybe will give you some kind of physical assessment so you can utilize the data to craft your own program. We start conducting the workshops on January 10, 2026, starting from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Malaysian time. You can check out the details by following the same link or scanning the same QR code as before. In case you still can't afford the ticket for our workshop, which actually just going to cost you less than eating out in a fast food chain, then you can just utilize AI and cross-reference our guidebook, regardless of your means, because at the end of the day, the guidebook is for you to know what you're doing. That's the idea. Doesn't matter if you come to us or utilize AI, we are okay. In fact, we encourage you to use AI. Okay, we will definitely be using it in the future. Once you have received the copy of your guidebook, when you're about to start your fitness journey or restart it, we recommend that you do take before and after pictures of your physique, and preferably in a 30-day time span. And if you can follow the instruction written at page 5 of the guidebook, how to do it, and do send us your before and after. And if you do, we'll actually give you a secret bonus gift. Yeah, that one you will find out eventually. If you want to know more, you can actually contact us with the same email that you'll get the guidebook from. Just for your case, it's called Raising Thrones Academy at Raising Thrones Academy at proton.me. Yeah, that's the email. Sorry. So we started as online fitness brand with our MPV Raging Thai Academy. We have actually pivoted, I think you know this, into online education platform. We'll teach 6 topics in total. Of course, this is excluding any future sub-brands or any partnerships that we'll do in the future, module and so on. So the 6 topics, one is of course physical fitness, and also maybe we'll add some kind of martial art element into it. Then number 2 will be sales and marketing. Then number 3 will be communication, how to communicate with people. Then number 4 will be entrepreneurship itself, how to do business. Number 5 will be wilderness survival, or basically how to survive with minimum if not no money. And number 6 will be science and engineering, or basically any STEM field that we think is practical. So these are 6 subjects. For now, we will be focusing on phase 1, which is to launch physical fitness only. We'll focus on physical fitness only for 2025 now and 2026, and if need be 2027 as well. Until we fully establish the ecosystem for physical fitness, then and slowly we'll roll out the other phases. With that being said, I'm actually on a mission. I guess RTA is on a mission right now to give out at least 1 million copies of this guidebook that we are giving out, and we want to accomplish this mission before 31st December 2026. And unfortunately, I cannot do this alone, and I do need your help. There are 3 ways you can help me. One is you can actually just take the guidebook and utilize it and improve your physical fitness. Number 2 will be by sharing your results online and tagging us in basically our Instagram or anything or social media platforms, so at least we know and we can congratulate you on that. Number 3 will be by joining us. Actually, you can become what we call educational consultant, and let me give you a bit more idea what it is. Join us as an education consultant. You'll actually earn a good wages from it as well, because it's a highly commission based role, and which where you can give out guidebooks of free and also earn a living, because we'll have other products that we're launching in the future, which I'll talk about in a different video. The openings for this role will be starting from January 2026, which you can find out more details in our landing page as we did right in the session there. And if you want, you can just contact me or my team through the same email, raisingdronesacademy@proton.me. That is all for this video. I'll be doing more updates like this, maybe quarterly, if not monthly, and we'll show you the success of RTL. I also don't know how successful we'll be, to be honest, because we are at the infancy of our company, but we are sincere and we'll do our best to help others. Yes, and before you go, do grab a copy of your guidebook. You can follow the link to our landing page, and you can just contact me directly. I'll help you, no problem, all good, anytime, any day, it's free. Okay, that's it for now. Take care and bye.